1 2 3. So let's see, this is the stack and we have taken one answer and one temperature, in which stack is empty for the first element, and so we will first push the element right in the second one. So as you can see here, we have 74 is greater than 73, so we will put the first array, right? And that means today is the first day with the warmer temperature than the 0, right? So we have to set the answer 1 minus 0 is equal to what? 1, and we have to pop the stack from the first element, and then we have to after that we will move to the stack that is empty, and so the push current day is we have to put there, and we have to move into next, right? So now as you can see that here now we have another temperature, right? And that is 75, and 75 is greater than 74, correct? So we will do minus 2 minus 1, right? 2 minus 1, and that is coming 1. Next we have a stack 71, in which we can see that 71 is not warmer than 75, so we will put into 0, and then we will move to the next stack, that is 69, and 69 is also not warmer. Now 72 is warmer than the 71, right? And that's why we are going to put 5 minus 3 equal to 2, and we will pop from the stack. After popping that, 72 is warmer than the 75, so we will push to the current stack, and then the stack will move, then we will move. Okay, now we are at 76. We'll check that with the 75, right? 76 is warmer than 75, right? And that's why we're going to put that value. 73 is not warmer than 76, so what we will do, we will push into the stack, and after the iteration, this is our final answer, and we will have the means we have to check the previous and current value. Now coming to the solution part, right? As you can see, we have given a class, and this class contains temperature, right? So we will get a final size of the array, right? So we will do temperature dot its method is length, right? So what we'll do, we'll do temperature dot length, and we'll get the size of the temperature array. Okay, and we will have, and now we will create one array, right? And that will contain our answer. So we'll take the size similar to the temperature, right? Because we have to put all the answer after the previous value and current value minus after doing the minus, right? So we will store answer, and that is n plus that is answer is n, right? Size of n. Now we are going to take dq, and dq will take integers, right? So we'll take a dq object, and that is our stack, you can say, and we can say that this is our array, new array dq. Okay, now we have to we have this stack, right? And we will push one by one the calculation of here, right? So we'll start from the day 1, right? So we will take current day is 0, right, in the 4, and then we will move to the last n, right? This is that is the size, right? So we'll start from 0 index, and we'll move to the last index. So we can say that current is at 0, so we'll start from the 0 index, day 1, and then we'll go to the last day, right? In the temperature day we have given, right? Temperature array we have given n, and current plus will do that, right? So now what we have to do here, right? We can do like we will create one integer type current temperature, you can say current temperature, and then current temperature we can get from temperature, right? And temperature, and we will get current day, right? We have to pass the current day. So we will have now current day temperature we have, right, from the current day, and now what we have to do, we have to pop the we will pop until we will pop from the stack until the current temperature, right? Current day, that is temperature, you can say, is what we'll do, pop until the current day temperature is not warmer than the previous, right? If the current day we will pop until the current day temperature is not warmer than the temperature, right? Temperature at the you can say at the top of the stack, right? At the top of the stack. So we have to pop until the current day temperature is not warmer than the temperature at the stack, right? So how we will do that, right? So we will take while loop, and in the while loop we will check if not stack is empty. First we'll check empty, stack should not be empty, correct? And then we can check temperature, right? We will check temperature, and we'll take the peak value, right? Temperature's peak value, okay? Temperature peak value in the stack, right? So a stack peak, that should be, if that is a stack peak, right? And if that is available on that is equal to, so not less than, we can take less than, if that is less than the previous one, right? So yeah, or current, right? Or the current temperature, right? The current temperature we can take. So temperature at the stack dot peak, right? Whatever the value of a stack at the stack peak, that value is less than current temp, right? Now we will take previous day. And we'll check if the stack we are going to pop, we have to remove from the pop, right? And then we will have our previous day. Now we'll take answer, and how will do the answer of previous day. We'll take answer the previous day, and we'll do current day temperature, right? Current day temperature minus previous day temperature. Whatever the data will come, that will be stored on the answer, right? Correct? Or if that is not the case, we will store on the stack.push, and then we will store the current day temperature. And similarly, this is a very good example, right? And finally, what we can do here is that we will return our answer, right? So very simple, we have to take the temperature current is we'll check with the previous one, right? And then if that is not the case, we will do minus current day minus previous day, and then we will store the answer value, and finally we will return the answer. Now if we will talk about the time complexity, what will happen? Time complexity is O of n, because we are moving for the on, right? On we are taking, right? And if we will talk about a space complexity, right? So we are taking extra space here, right? But the sizes remain same, right? We are taking the size is same. Let's no, it's not compiling. The temperature we have to change. I think that will come line level 11 also come error. So we have to update the temperature. Temperature spelling is different, right? Temperature. Now it will run code, then it will work. Okay. So thank you guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please hit and comment, as well as subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.